Hey you guys, so in today's video we are going to be doing the look that you've seen in the intro. That intro was pretty bomb, I'm not gonna lie. I kind of fell in love with this look. It's currently 3 in the morning and I filmed this late at night and I cannot sleep, so I started editing it. But subscribe at the button down below, like this video and leave a comment, and let's just get into this. Okay, so first we're going to go with Gimme Brow Plus. This is shade 3 and I've been loving Gimme Brow lately. You just comb it through your brows, then you're basically done. And then for a little bit more definition, we're going to go in with KABROW shade 4 and just define the brow a little bit more. Okay you guys, I am obsessed with Eden Urban Decay Primer Potion. It is the best base, and in this video I tried to do my whole eye first just to see how it went. It was okay, it threw me off a little bit, so I probably will never do this again, but I just wanted to try it out. You can never not try something. Blending it out with a Real Technique sponge and then setting it with MERCIER translucent setting powder. Okay, so we're going into the Velvet 59 Biker Bait palette. I really love this palette. I like the colors and the formula is so good. The first shade we're going to go into is Harley Baby with a Sigma E40 and just pat that into the crease, and then we're going to start blending it into the crease. So we're just going to place the color and then blend. And I do want to update you guys, I'm still sick, I'm still going through this, but I don't feel as winded today, so that's a good thing. So we're just going to see what the doctor says. The next shade we're going to go into is Twisty, and I'm just trying to deepen the crease a little bit and create a well blended blend. So we're just going to go in with this no name crease brush and just pop that directly into the crease and outer corner. Okay, we're going to go into the shade Armor and we're going to spray our brush with some Ofra makeup fixer, and we are going to pat that on our outer lid with the Morphe M210 brush. Then we're going to go in with Cafe Racer, which is such a pretty taupe metallic shade, and we're going to do the same. We're just going to put that in the inner lid this time. This is just a no-name brush from a set that my mom got off of Groupon for me. You guys, I'm so in love with this shade. This is shade Throttle, and we're going to highlight our brow bone and inner corner with this. This is like the perfect, like, it's like a white, but it's like a yellow based white shimmer, and it's, oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. Then we're going to go back into Harley Baby and put that on our lower lash line. I'm just using that no name crease brush that I used before. And then with Armor, we're going to be like, you know, copying what we did on the top and putting that on the bottom. So we're popping Armor on the outer lower lash line. And then we're just going to do the same with Cafe Racer. Then for lashes, we're going in with Peacock Flare Mascara from COVERGIRL. And then we're going to use the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with the Lily Lashes Sephora Collection lashes in the style London. Gotta blow my nose because, you know, yeah, I gotta recoup from putting on lashes, you know, because I kind of suck at it. But I really do like these lashes and I love this look. So the eyes are pretty much done. Okay, I'm going to warn you guys, my skin was terrible in this video. So we're going to be going with the Burberry Luminous Fluid Base in the shade Fresh Glow and just apply it to the skin. Okay, so for foundation, we're going to take the Rimmel Lasting 25-Hour Breathable Longwear Foundation, and this is shade Sand. And I do not like this foundation. It made my skin look extra aged and extra dry. But we're going to be using my favorite sponge to blend it out, which is this Sonia Keshik blending sponge. And then for a little bit of liquid bronzer, we're going to use the DERMABLEND Flawless Creator Multi-Use Liquid Pigments. And you can see how aged my skin looks. Like, I hated it. But these liquid pigments are in the shade 50W. And I really didn't want to not include this because I'm testing out something that did not work for me, and I know it did not work for my friend Tara either. So Rimmel, what you got going on with this foundation, man? And I have absolutely no reason why I use this concealer under my eyes because it creases like so bad. This is the Camouflage 101 palette from Pot Beauty. I do like this formula, just not for under my eyes. Don't know what was wrong with me. I'm setting my face with Laura Mercier translucent. Dang, the setting power from Laura Mercier. Shoot. I don't know why I never use this because it does have some pretty good shades in here. This is the NYX Contour and Highlight Palette. You guys see that I contour with this brush a whole lot. This is the Sigma Concealer Blend Kabuki brush, but I use it for contouring because the dome shape fits my cheeks perfectly. And I do have a 10% off code. And like I have a love-hate relationship thing with this palette. This is the Sleek Distorted Highlighting Palette. And I'm just using the gold shade in there. It takes a lot of building up, and I don't know how I feel about that because the Solstice palette does not do that. And then I'm just using this Naked Illuminated powder in the shade Aura. I want to say that's what it is, and using that as blush. Yeah, I really like these Katy Kat glosses from CoverGirl. This is shade Catelope. Me and my sister tried every single color and traded and split them up. So yeah, we definitely love these. This is the finished look, you guys, and I'm really liking it. I just hate my freaking skin. Like, it looks good on camera, but you saw, take away the beauty lights and they don't look like this. But be sure to subscribe, comment, like, and I'll see you in my next video.